I greatly appreciate for all the things and the stuff that give it to us. And I thankful to Mr. Dean, Mr. Lee, the Dean of our school, and the Vice Dean, Mr. Hu, and Mr. Duke, and to all the teachers in IS school. Thank you very much for protecting us through this epidemic COVID-19, and thank you very much for caring us a lot, and we hope you guys stay safe and God bless you all. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you for the gift and
Thank you for your help, Taiwan University. We love you so much. Mwah!
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
thank you to school. I stay you.